At some point, we stopped seeing, not because the world became less beautiful, but because we became too busy, too burdened, too distracted to notice. We learned to move through life rather than live inside it. Eyes down, pace up, the world blurring past us like scenery from a train we never chose to board. But watch a child. Watch how they stop completely, unashamedly, for a beetle crossing a path. How a puddle becomes an ocean. How a dandelion is not a weed, but a wish waiting to happen. They haven't learned to rank things by importance yet. To them, a cloud formation deserves the same attention as anything else in the universe, because in that moment, it is the universe. A child doesn't experience wonder as a luxury, they experience it as default, as the only logical response to being alive in a world this strange and this beautiful. Somewhere along the way, we were taught that growing up meant moving on from all of that. That wonder was a phase, that awe was impractical, that noticing small things was a distraction from the important ones. But what if we had it backwards? What if the child wasn't naive but awake? What if the things we dismissed as small, the light through a leaf, the sound of rain on glass, the feeling of grass under bare feet, were never small at all? What if they were the whole point? You don't need to go back to childhood. You just need to go back to noticing. Slow down long enough to feel the ground beneath you. Look up long enough to remember the sky is still there. Let something ordinary surprise you the way it always did. Before you decided, you already knew how the world worked. The world hasn't stopped being wonderful. We just stopped being willing to see it that way. Look again, like you are seeing it for the first time. Because in every way that matters, you are.